Welcome back, guys. So today we'll be continuing Boolean algebra. So today we'll be seeing Boolean laws. So Boolean laws have been derived by using Boolean postulates. So these laws are used to design and analyze logic circuit mathematically. So I'll be writing some Boolean laws. So first of all, the laws of union. So there are two laws basically here. So the first law is, so a plus 0, so if the variable a is there, a plus 0 equals to a, and the second law states a plus 1 equals to 1. So this is pretty simple. So if we do, this is the OR operation. Now next we have the laws of intersection. So laws of intersection. So here a dot 0 equals to 0 and a dot 1 is equals to a. So it will basically depend on a. So I will just prove all this. So number 3 we have laws of tautology. Laws tautology. So this is a plus a, that is equals to a, and a dot a, that is equals to a. Next we have laws of complements. So again two laws here. So a plus a bar is, that is equals to 1, and a dot a bar is equals to 0. Next we have laws of double complements. It states as a double bar, that is equals to a. So next we have laws of commutation. So two laws here again, that is a plus b equals to b plus a, and a dot b is equals to b dot a. Next we have laws of association. So here a plus within bracket b plus c, that is equals to a plus b, next c, and the next is a b c, that is equals to a b multiplied with c. So next we have laws of distribution. Laws of distribution. So two laws here again. So a b plus c, that is equals to a b plus ac, and a plus b, this is c plus d, that is equals to ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. Next we have laws of absorption. So there are so 5 here. So a plus b, that is equals to a plus ab, that is again equals to a bar plus b, that is equals to ab. These are some variations of the laws of absorption. So there can be infinite cases, but these are mostly 5 general cases. And this is a bar b plus b equals to a plus b. So now we have the most important law, that is De Morgan's law or theorem, De Morgan's theorem. So here there are two laws, the most important laws. A plus b whole complement is equals to a complement dot b complement, and a dot b whole complement is a complement plus b complement. So now we'll just take a look at all this proof of these laws. So for first case, if we have a equals to 0, it will evaluate a 0 dot 0, that is 0 plus 0, that is 0, and if a is equals to 1, then 1 plus 0, that is 1. So it is true. Now for this, if a equals to 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, and if a equals to 1, 1 plus 1 is always equals to 1. So this is again got proved. Now for this, so 0 dot 0 equals to 0, 1 dot 0 equals to 0, and for the next part 0 dot 1 is 0, that is basically A, and 1 dot 1 is 1, that is basically A again. So these are the laws of intersection. Now laws of tautology. So 0 plus 0, A is 0, so that is will be 0, that is A, and this is also A. And if A 1 dot 1 is 1, so A. If we can do the other also, like 1 plus 1 is equals to 1, A and A. Now we will see the laws of complement. If A equals to 0, then A bar equals to 1. So for first case, 0 plus 1 is always 1, and if we will take A equals to 1, then A bar is equals to 0, 1 plus 0 equals to 1. So this got proved, and for simply A 0 dot 1 is equals to 0 and 1 dot 0 equals to 0. So this also got proved. So similarly, so you can prove this. If A equals to 0, then A bar equals to 1, and A bar of A bar will give the complement of this. The complement of this is 0, so it will be exactly this. So similarly you can prove all this. So if you have any problem, just comment below. So this was all about Boolean laws. So thanks for watching it.